Welcome to the ACE channel. Chill, enjoy, and learn. It's obvious that the traffic light wasn't respected. It happened in Des Moines, Iowa. A legal U-turn, maybe he saw the police and decided to run. It happened in Houston, California. This is a professional driver. See where he overtakes and where he turns off the highway. It happened in Woodstock, Virginia. Car in front was turning, however driver couldn't see around the left turning lane on the other side and thought he could make it.
In details, offering subject to capacity restrictions and change without notice.
Are you a business owner, CEO, or responsible for marketing? If you are,
see the no U-turn sign on the left. It happened in Surprise, Arizona. Hotspot area for this type of accident. Daily. Improperly attached cargo left these poor guys in a bind. It happened in Aurora, Colorado. A very impatient driver trying to warm up the tires for the track like he's driving a Formula. It happened in Modesto, California. This car was moving from a street parking space while another was waiting for a space behind. The black car crossed the double yellow line to get around the car, merged back in the right direction as the cars were in the other direction, and almost had an accident with this driver. The left turns are difficult. The Volkswagen did not stick to its lane and confused the Mazda. It happened in Richmond, Texas. The DPD driver stopped for this driver because he obviously couldn't wait. There was no car behind him. Then he turned, and the other driver didn't even bother to give way. That driver was a woman. It happened in Manchester, UK. It is not clear to me how he lost control of the vehicle. Pay attention, maybe the steering wheel is turned at high speed or the tire is flat. The deer stepped onto the road, and the truck was going 80 miles an hour. This was inevitable. The driver stopped to check the damage. It happened in U-turn.
Here's one. Having a nap. Yep. Oh, we hit him. Shit.
You're right.
You right?
Yeah, is everyone all right?
Yep, we're right.
You right?
Animal accident again. This time it's kangaroo vs Subaru. The driver stopped and checked the damage. The scene is Australia, I guess.
Yeah, uh-oh. Are you okay? It's okay. Sorry, Maddie. No, you're right. Yeah, I know, baby. You okay? What happened? It was a big bang. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, that was safe, Maddie. Oh, I know, right? I'm like thankful I had the bloody